All that we'll be needing for this video is our nails, our glue, our filer, our buffer, and our hardener, which is a white neutral nail polish. That's all we'll be needing. Once you're done with that, we're set to what? Slay. We're set to slay. So love, before doing all of this nail do, I had to file my nails to make sure that my nails are clean for the nails to sit in or to fit in properly. I promise to do a more detailed video next time. Oops, pardon my manners. I think it's high time for me to do a proper intro, okay? Hi my love, welcome to a DIY section with Sally Talks O'Shea. You're welcome to my first DIY section over here on this channel. So guys, in this video I'll be using a press-on nails, which is the fastest and the easiest nails you can do by yourself at home. It's less stressful and easy to do, guys. When I said easy, is easy. Like, press-on nails is one of the easiest nails for you to fix. Like, what I just did was, after I was done fixing my nails, I realized that it was a bit lengthy because I wanted it to look more natural. Also, I picked a more subtle kind of color, which is like a French tips, kind of a nude color with a white tips at the top. So that's basically what I picked. And after fixing the nails, I realized that it was a bit lengthy, so I had to, like, trim it a bit. That was why I need a buffer and a filer. Aside that, I don't need any of those things. But the part that I forgot to include, not that I actually forgot, I actually lost some of the footage, was where I prepped my nails, where I filed my nails, I buffed it to make sure that it's neat and all of that. And yeah, dusted it before I started fixing my nails. I omitted that part, sorry about that. I will do a more detailed kind of DIY doing my nails because I have one cute little nails I have left. So let's see how it goes. If you want to see more of this kind of content, please comment that in the comment section, and I promise to do more content on a DIY. Please don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. Don't forget to like, comment, and share. I love you guys, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye my loves.